Welcome back to A Pen and a Plan. I'm Heather, and I'm super excited to plan this week in my passion planner for a couple of reasons. One, I get to use the March subscription kit from Planning by Shannon, and I'm so excited about it because it's super cute and perfect to welcome in spring into my planner. And the other reason is because this is such an adorable kit, I feel like I get to kind of tell a story with my stick. And open the March subscription kit from Planning by Shannon, and let's see what's in here. So I have the information card. So the kit includes a weekly kit, a foiled half sheet, a deco full sheet, a critter half sheet, and a surprise collab deco sheet. And so let's see what all of these look like. So this is the foil sheet, so you can see that it's super shiny and it just is full of lots of fun quotes that are related to spring. And then this one is cute critters. Planning by Shannon has the moose, fox, and raccoon, and they're super cute. They're gardening. They're gonna fit perfect in the story. And then this one is the collab sheet with VickeysPlannrStickrs. If you've been following me for a while, you know that's one of my favorite shops, and I love her flower kits, and so these are super awesome. And then this is another fun, cute sheet to go with the kit. And then last but the best is the weekly kit. And so I'm going to use this as the base to decorate and kind of tell a story with my stickers, but also leave lots of room for the memories for the week. So we just bought a house, and so we get to start getting things rolling this week with closing paperwork and moving and all of the big change things, and so I'm really excited to make that happen. So let's get started, and we'll start with some washi tape. And I already pulled a couple because I've been thinking about this kit for a long time. So one of my planner friends Happy Mail package, and it included this adorable washi tape, and I thought this would be perfect for this kit because we've got the sky and we've got the grass, just to help complete the story a little bit. And to accent the pink a little bit, we're going to take this pink washi, and to trim the washi on the timelines, I'm going to use my handy dandy slicer tool. I love my slicer tool. It's magical and it's my go-to planner tool for all things washi and sticker related. So I'll leave a link below if you are interested in getting one for yourself. Vicky's flowers here. I love the purpley flowers that they are. So I'm going to place them in the grass down here. And I'm not very good at growing flowers. I really want to try though in my new house, and my grandma is sending me some flower seeds, and I'm really excited to give that a try. We'll see if it works, because I really haven't been successful before. So if you have any flower tips, let me know, because flowers really do make me very happy, and I wish I could grow them. We're going to put the fox here. He's going to be at the house, and he's going to be saying hello and welcome. The raccoon is going to be over here by the path and the well to get the water ready for his water can. And then we have some flowers that need to be planted. This is my type of planting. We're just going to layer the stickers so that way the flower is planted and it looks so awesome. So that's this is the March subscription kit from Planning by Shannon. I absolutely love it. There's a whole spring vibe going on for the first full week of spring. I'm so excited that spring is here, and I'm so excited to plan with you again. And I know that it's been a little while, but like I said, we're moving into a house, and so as soon as I get settled enough there, at least get my desk set up, I will be putting up more videos. So in the meantime, leave me a comment with some video ideas that you'd like to see in April, and I will get those put together for you. And I'm so excited to fill this spread in for our first week of spring and moving and get it all together. So thanks for playing with me. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I look forward to more. So feel free to share, subscribe, and like, and happy planning. We'll plan more later.